Hiya, welcome back. This video is about fitting one of these things, which is a gear shift stabiliser for the CT125. So in order to get easy access, I'm removing the side stand and foot pegs bracket thing, which just means I'm doing all the bolts. So there's 4 that are holding the bracket on, and then there's the 2 from the crash bars that you've got to undo. And then before I undo the gear shift lever, I want to put a centre punch mark. And the pedal, it's just held on with a 10mm clamp bolt nut thing. I might go all the way through. Yeah. Right, so have to remove this bolt and that bolt, and this one, which is the chain sprocket cover, seems to be about 8 Newton meters, and this one, which is the casing, is 11 Newton meters, it seems. So what I've done is get a torque wrench and just slowly increased it until it clicked or it moved the thing. So I'm just taking that as read. So in the kit that came with the stabiliser, there's a long and a short bolt. And also coming with the kit is a spacer. So I reckon the spacer goes on the long bolt and the short bolt goes up to the casing. So that goes that way around with the spacer. And that. So it really couldn't be simpler. And then 11 Newton meters. And 8. Then back on with this. And then back on with the side stand and the foot pegs. So that's these. So just get all that buttoned up. Yeah. Okay. Relatively easy. So there it is, tucked away quite neatly. I'll take it for a little ride and let you know what I think. Right, I can say without a shadow of doubt that changing gears better. It kind of might a bit more clicky. It's more positive. So I'm quite happy with that. I got this particular bracket from AliExpress and it was something like £8 to the door, so I thought it was worth trying. Only aluminium, no bearing. So I've seen some with bearings, but they're about £35. So I thought I'd try this one first, and if I liked it and I felt it made a difference, then I would probably go for one with a bearing. Now it is just aluminium, so it's steel on aluminium, so that could wear. I wondered about putting oil or grease into it, but then I thought that might attract grit, so probably not a brilliant idea. But I'll keep an eye on it and see how it goes. I did read somewhere that when I posted on the Facebook group that I was going to fit it, someone said that they wish they had, because they just bent their gear change spindle, which I guess if you sort of crash in the ruts and all that, that's quite possible. So that's another benefit of having it. But certainly for changing gear, it's just better, more positive. So I'll wrap that up now. Thanks for watching. It helps the channel if you like and subscribe. It helps me keep on making these videos and posting them for you. So till the next time, cheerio.